You got deep sea fishing with this, didn't it? Good thing they put all that line on there. I was thinking about people like me. Wrong code. What do you think of now? Maybe it'd be easier to just go to the supermarket. Now, I gotta find the other end of this.
You threw it over the deck for some crazy reason.
How am I gonna get that back? I gotta. Oh, I know how. I can wind the line up, and sooner or later I'll get to the end of it. I don't know what. Ooh, something. Oh, that's a dragonfly. I thought a fish could swim that fast. Well, that's amazing. Went by me real quick. I thought it was a shadow of a fish in the water, but it was a dragonfly. You know what?
You're going to have that all tangled up.
It's going to be a miracle, I'm telling you. Here it comes. That's coming out alive now.
I wish you'd stay put.
I know you're not home. God, I can't believe my leg.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Got this one too. See, I'm scarred for 2-3 years at least. I'm not sure what just happened up there. Okay, it went in alright. I didn't know that thing videotaped that long. How long does that thing last? It's gonna be a good show. Are you serious? It's been on the whole time? I have to edit some of that. I didn't say any bad words, did I? Even when I fell through the hole?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that. So far, I'm getting it all back. Watch a whale bite this thing when I'm not looking and pull me in. You see, the thing about it, when that line starts getting knotted like that, you don't pull on it and mess with it. I see a hole. You just gotta let it go. What happened? I thought I had fish too.
Where's the end of the pole?
I don't know. This is where it gets nasty.
You threw it off.
I got it right here.
Oh, there it is.
Everything's jacked up, so I lost a little bit of it. Well, I'll just get it off right here. Let's see the butt. Man, I'm getting it all over me.
Watch what you're doing. You're going to end up dropping it in the water.
Yeah.
That's here's true fisherman, guys.
Huh? You're right.
This here's a true fisherman.
I'm telling you, buddy.
Falls in the hole, loses his pole, loses his shoe, recovers the shoe, recovers the pole. Putting her back together.
And you know what? I was thinking a while ago, I got to be desperate to be messing with this thing. And I done caught about 40 fish. I only kept 5 of them, so life's good for them. I think this can happen. One that don't feel right. Hand it upside down, folks. We got her now. Oh, now. Oh, my lamb was ready. Now look at that.
Lord have mercy.
Now we gotta go internal. Oh, now this might become a problem.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's funny. Okay. We're probably, even though all this has been pretty good, and it's not pre-rehearsed, we're probably going to miss the best part somewhere along the way. I can see it coming. Camera's going down. Okay. Now, if you never had one of these, don't get one. This is not easy. Oh man, it is. It's really a piece of cake. You couldn't do a regular rod and reel like this, which you'd never have it happen on a regular rod and reel either. It's impossible. Something like that.
You got it upside down again.
No, I got it right. You know what? It is a... Okay, alright. Now I'm ready to put something on. Oh, there it is. A bit of snake in the business. Usually it's not this hard when you go fishing, because if you live here, you know what to expect. I would have had these boards fixed if I was living here. I wouldn't have busted stuff like that. It's being in a different place. Let's go. You remember what happened to the hook and stuff?
It's in that pile of stuff right there with your sinker and your...
Well...
Oh.
Something don't feel right. There it goes. I don't know what that was. Something like that. I think it's got too much line on it. I can't believe you've been taping this the whole time. Are you serious? Whoa, man, where's my bobber? That's the only bobber I had.
It's right there behind you. I just want the people that's going to watch this film later know that I have no clue or anything to do with the, how would you say, the condition of this man. I've been in his parents' house the whole time. I just got here.
Well, you didn't miss much. You got here at the good part. Now, this is when it gets really interesting. You gotta make sure you put your hook on right. Well, I don't believe it must be right like that. I do believe I busted most things. That kind of didn't hurt until afterwards.
Usually it doesn't. We gotta go to IGA.
Well, this is the boring part here.
Did you hear me?
When?
Well, your mama said they closed at 9.
Well, we gotta go to IGA.
I gotta go. Oh! Oh! Big fish jumping in the water.
Come on.
To get some creamer. I don't think I'm gonna have enough.
Oh, really?
I don't think so.
Well, do we need to do that now, or?
It's 20 after 8.
What time they close?
9. I can go by myself. It's just down the road.
Well. Oh, my goodness.
You're not gonna stay out here in the dark, are you?
No, I'm not gonna stay in the house. Sorry about this hook thing. It's like working out. That, so you gonna run down there and get some cream?
Yeah.
Hey. Maybe I should go with you. Want me to go with you?
I'm trying to catch one of these fish jump up in the air.
I want to cast a little bit, really.
No, I can go by myself.
I
I just go straight down that road, right? You don't turn off anywhere, right?
Hey.
Go down here and take a left. Right?
Yeah. And this on the right.
Okay. Alright. This is the camera crew signing off. Watch the hole.
I see him.